Hello friends and welcome back to the REIMAGINED channel. So friends, today I will talk about GAMDIAS Atlas P2 CG Mid Tower PC case. So friend, GAMDIAS has announced the Atlas P2 CG curved glass panoramic case and the case features a stunning 270-degree curved tempered glass panel offering an impressive panoramic view of interior, and this innovative design eliminates corner obstruction, creating a seamless showcase of internal components. And additionally, the case also supports connector hidden motherboard means BTF motherboard, enabling cable to plug in from the rear for a clean and flawless front appearance. So friend, the mid-tower case comes equipped with 120 PWM ARGB fans and 3 at the side and 1 at the rear exhaust, and 8-port PWM ARGB fan hub allow for easy management and synchronization, and this setup enable lighting effect and ensure quiet and high performance operation. And user can easily switch between CPU, GPU, ambient line, and off mode through the IO port control. With the GAMDIAS ZEUS card software, user can customize display setting to enhance their system monitoring experience and ensuring critical data is always accessible. So friend, the connectivity ports including USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port for ultra-fast data transfer and USB 3.0 port fan hub for ultra-fast data transfer, USB 3.0 port, fan LED control, and additionally audio connectivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.